friends, I'm Richa and welcome back to the channel where we break down the real HR concepts that help you to grow your career. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with any HR buddy who is ready to grow. Today we are diving into a topic I get asked every single week. Richa, I'm a recruiter, but how do I become a HR business partner? If that's your question, stay with me till the end. I'm going to walk you through a clear step-by-step plan on how to make this transition successful with actionable tips, mistakes to avoid, and how SkillDeck can support you on this journey. Let's start by clearing the basic. What is the difference between the recruiter and an HRBP? A recruiter focuses on talent acquisition like sourcing the candidates, coordinating for the interviews, closing the offers, and onboarding. An HR business partner is for more strategic. They partner with the business leaders. They solve the organization problems. They align HR efforts with business outcomes. They influence leadership decisions. If you're in recruitment right now, great. You are already managing the stakeholders. You are understanding the hiring gaps and you are tracking the key HR metrics already. Now it's the time to build the foundation for HRBP. To move into the HRBP roles, there are a few key skills that you have to develop. First one is business acumen. Know how your business earns money, who your customers are, and how your department adds value. Second point, strategic thinking. Go beyond short-term fixes. HRBPs think about long-term impact regarding workforce planning and change management. Third point, performance management. Learn how to manage goal-setting frameworks like OKRs, KPIs, bell curve, and more. Next one is employee experience and engagement. You should know how to read engagement data and act on it and present solutions to improve the culture. The next point, HR analytics. Start learning Excel and basic analytics so you can show attrition trends, workforce planning, workforce cost, or hiring trends and make your department more efficient because all the efficiency decisions are always backed up by the data. And trust me, when you speak the language of business using numbers, you gain instant credibility with your leadership. Now let's talk action plan. What steps can you start taking immediately to become an HRBP ready? Step 1. Volunteer outside recruitment. Get involved in engagement surveys, internal transfers, policy revamps, or programs. Raise your hand and show initiative. Step 2. Observe or shadow HRBPs. Ask to join meetings with the business heads or sit in on monthly HR dashboards. Watch how HRBPs speak, present, and influence. Step 3. Present data like consultant. Instead of saying hiring is slow, say only 60% of requisition are closed within SLA and it's impacting onboarding timelines. Step 4. Build cross-functional relationship. Start networking with people outside recruitment like L&D department, HR operation department, finance department, project heads. Learn their problems. Step 5. Upskill with guidance. Structured learning is the fastest way to close the knowledge gaps, especially when it includes case studies, a practical understanding, business simulation, and tools. As you walk this path, watch out for more common traps. Don't wait to be made and then HRBP. Start behaving like one now. Focus only on processes, not people. HRBP is not just about policy. It's about people and outcomes and business impact. Don't avoid data and analytics. The modern HRBP must be data fluent. If Excel scares you, start small, but don't skip it. If you're wondering where to even start, you don't have to do this alone. We have designed certified human resource business partner program at SkillDeck that teaches you real frameworks like 9-box grid, KPI mapping, talent review models that help you transition from a traditional HR to a strategic HRBP. It's a live program for 2 months with the different case studies, practical tools, and practical implications. It's built by HR leaders. You can explore all our upcoming course at www.theskilldeck.com. The link is provided in the description below. So now you know the roadmap. Now it's the time to take the charge. If this video has added the value, smash that like button. Drop your any doubts in the comment box. I'll be available to answer those comments. I'll see you in the next video. By then, take care. Bye-bye.